Welcome to the Myimaths Sum of angles in a polygon explanation video. Remember, the sum of the angles in a polygon always uses this formula. The number of sides minus 2 times 180. Okay, so that's exactly what they've asked in the first question. You need to take the number of sides, subtract 2, and times it by 180. Which would be, of course, 12 times 180, 2,160. The next one you need to do the same, because we need to know what are the angles inside a polygon with 26 sides add up to. So it's 26 minus 2 times 180, which will be 24. Which is 4,320. Now that's not the answer. They want to know how each angle is. And remember, it's a regular polygon, which means all the angles are the same size. So we just take the sum of all the angles and divide it by how many angles there'll be, which is 26. And then we'll know how big each one of those angles is, which in this case will be 166.2. As they say, write everything to one decimal place. Exterior angles, of course, is always equal to 360. So if we want to know how many sides the shape has, we take the 360 divided by the size of the angle, which is 24 degrees. And then we'll know how many sides it has. 15 sides. The last one, here they kind of give us the answer. They tell us the answer to the sum of the interior angles is 9,180. So if we want to find the number of sides, which the n represents, we need to do this backwards. So we take the sum of the interior angles, we're going to divide it by 180, and then we're going to add 2, and then we'll know how many sides it has. So this is 9,180 divided by 180, 51, and then we need to add 2, minus about 53 sides. And that's question 1 done. Going on to question 2. X here is an interior angle, so first we need to find all the other interior angles. Here we got angles on a straight line, so if you subtract the 33, we get, what's that, 147. So this angle here would be 147. This angle over here, we do 180 minus 45, which means this is 133. And this angle here, this is angles around the point. So for this one, we need to do 360 minus 144, which will be 216. So this is 216. Right, next let's count the number of sides there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's a 6. 8 sides. So putting that into the formula, which is 8 minus 2, and then times 180, which would be 6 times 180, of course. 6 times 180. 1,080. That's what all the angles should add up to. So now what we need to do, we need to take all the interior angles, not the exterior angles. What is this? And subtract that from 1,080. So let's do that. So 1,080 minus all the angles. 75, 216, 127, 147, 145, 107, and 135. Let's put that in the calculator. And we get 128, which sounds like a good reasonable answer because that angle looks like it could be 128. Moving on to the second question. This is symmetrical, the shape. So this angle here would be 37. And of course we need to find this angle here, which will be 360 minus 89, which is 271. And this angle here, of course, will also be 271. Now, this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So we do 6 minus 2 times 180, which is 4 times 180, which is 720. So we need to take all the interior angles, so it's all these angles, and subtract that from 720. So this will be 720 minus the 37 twice, the 271 twice, and then the 24. And I get 80 degrees, which again looks like a good, reasonable answer. And there you have it. You've done it. See you again later. Bye-bye.